welcome back to Mo's World. I'm Mo, and today's video is going to be a haul, clothing haul. It is going to be from ThredUp. So the website will be in the description box below. People who know me know I love online shopping. What's the best way to put it? I'm an introvert and I prefer to just online shop from my couch without having to go into the stores, try on different clothing. Just, you have to wear appropriate clothing that's comfortable enough to take on and off. You have to be in the mood for that. And then sometimes the clothing is just blah. And then you have to deal with the crowds, the long lines. I'm just not a fan of it. So anyways, I like to online shop, and plus, who doesn't like to receive packages in the mail, you know, addressed to you? It's like Christmas for an adult. So anyways, the three main places I really like to online shop: ThredUp, Amazon. I am all about Amazon Prime, and okay, I'm a big fan of LetGo. I don't know if you know about that app. It's not really online shopping because all the stuff you get is all in the local area. I love LetGo, but then again, I don't go there for clothing. It's more of like for items around the house or outdoor stuff, or just, hey, I've always wanted that. Let me just get it, you know, things like that. But for clothing, I really like ThredUp. Amazon, anything else usually. Sometimes I get a few items of clothing. Oh, and another store, Groupon. I really like Groupon, but that's for the deals. Groupon is everything, food, just a lot of other stuff. But anyways, I'm getting off track. Let's get back to what we're here for. I have some packages from ThredUp. Now, I know it shows 3 packages, but I did not get a lot of items. I think I only got 6 items, and there's like 2 in each one. They ship from different warehouses. So yeah, it's not because I went crazy with this. Hubby put me on a budget. So I'm on a budget. I don't go over that budget. I am really good at staying right underneath that budget. So anyways, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open them up, look at all the pieces, because I don't remember all of them. It's not like it takes a long time for shipping to come through. I just waited till I could make this video, and that was a bit. And it's not like I was trying to wear any of these pieces now, so it wasn't like I had a hair to make this video. So first package. I really love this packaging. Can we just take a moment to look at the packaging? Isn't that cute? I love this. It's just so cute. Anyways. Oh, and it's always, every time I get a package, has a piece of paper about what I actually purchased. Alright, I had to make sure I don't want my address on here. I've made that mistake too many times. Alright, and then look, it's packaged. Look at this. It says, go digging since 2009, hashtag secondhand first. Oh, if you didn't know, ThredUp is a secondhand store. So you can send in your items, like let's say you're finished with it, has to be name brand, there has to be a tag on it, not like the tag like, oh, I've never worn this outfit before, but like the tag to say the brand name and the size on the item of clothing. It has to be a brand. Can't just be like from Ross. I ain't hating on Ross. I go to Ross all the time, but can't be like that. TJ Maxx is not gonna work either. But Target would work. Forever 21. You know, those are more of like the lower end brands, and you've got like brands that are like super high up, and I'm just like, ain't nobody got time for that. Not even secondhand, out of my budget. But anyways. Open this up. Okay, ooh, yes, a dress. This is, look at that color green. Isn't that green so pretty? Okay, I love halter type dresses. Anyways, this is the dress, and the back has like Woohoo! So anyways, I'm gonna try these on, so you're gonna see them like in better detail. But I'm seeing them all for the first time with you guys. Other than when I purchased them offline, you never know. They give you a really good description of the size, the material, what else? The length. The picture does really good quality to it as well. What else do they show you? They show you if it looks like perfectly normal, like it's new and it's never been used before, the tags are still on it. Or hey, it has been used but it's in excellent condition, you would think it's new. Or hey, it's got a few things on it and you know, you never know. Maybe some snags, maybe some loose threads. Some of it says there's something on there, but I'm like, child, I don't see nothing. I don't know. But anyways, you have 14 days to return the items if you do not like them or you just don't want it, whatever. And it's free shipping if you decide to put the money that would be returned to you as store credit. If not, you want it back, then the amount for shipping and handling will be subtracted from that refund. So I just do credit because I'm gonna purchase something again anyway, so. Alrighty. Ooh, yeah. I didn't open that too gracefully. Alrighty. What's the packaging? Oh, I like to try to get stuff for fall because it's like, get it now, right? Not just spring, summer stuff. Right here is a red dress. Ooh, this feels really good. I wasn't sure about this. I like that it's thinner. So it's not just a winter thing, it's definitely a fall thing. Anyways, cute. That's one. And then this is this cute little top. I don't know if you can see it. Obviously, I love this color. I'm kind of wearing it. It's just a lighter version. But yeah, this is cute. All right. And the last box. Let's see here. There we go. Like when I say they package it every time like that, I really mean it. All right, this one has 2 items. What is this? Ooh, I do remember this. I hope it looks right. Ooh, I like that. And it's another dress. And then here's one more. I think I got 5 items. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I got 5 items. Ooh, this looks a little see-through. We'll see. That cow neck and it's long sleeves and a dress. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna move us elsewhere. I'm gonna try these on and probably gonna go to a voice recording for the remainder of this. But before that, I wanna show you something. All right, so you can go on the website. There's an area where it says clean your closet. It's awesome. They send you this big bag, but it's like packaged up so much. Like it comes in like an envelope. You would never know. You open it up. It's huge. You can pack this mug with all your stuff in it, seal it, drop it off at FedEx, and you're done. And if whatever money you get from it, it goes to store credit. Unless you want your money. I don't know how that works. Anyways, this is an example of it. Look how big this bag is. Like, look at it compared to my head. You know, that's huge. If you don't realize, I'm about to send stuff off. Your girl needs some more credit. So, I've got clothing in here, shoes, they take it all. So, just as long as it fits that criteria, you're good to go. So, some of this stuff I haven't even worn before, but girl can't fit it, so it doesn't matter. Might as well be somebody else's treasure, and I gain from it as well. So now let's move into actually trying on the clothes. Super excited! everyone. So that's the end of this clothing haul from ThredUp. Like I said before, the website is in the description box below. Please tell me which one was your favorite. Personally, I wasn't a huge fan of the green dress. Yeah, it was cute, but it really didn't do anything for me. It was just kind of there, and I think I'm gonna return this and get some credits for another outfit. So, I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it. Also, this was the one that said that it has some minor flaws, and I don't know if you all can see it, but see all that? The fraying. There. Also in other areas. There. So that's not a huge deal. I could totally cut all of that off and it not be a big thing. But for me, I would do that if I felt like the dress was worth it. For me, it was alright. It was cute, but it just wasn't like, oh yeah, I just have to have that in my closet. No. So this is a bye-bye. But 4 out of 5 is really good. Usually that's my batting average, if not all of them. I take my time and really go through it. There are so many things that are available. You could easily spend hours on this website, so you've been warned. But to find the good items, you just gotta look, and it's constantly updating. More outfits, more clothing items are being put up there each and every day. So even though you think, oh, I've went through it all, a couple days later, it's like, what? More stuff. So it's just awesome. It's just the gift that keeps giving. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you enjoyed it, let me know. If you want to see other hauls, let me know. Typically those, like I said before, the places that I mentioned at the beginning of this video are the places I usually online shop. I'm not a big person for shopping for a lot of clothes, but when I found ThredUp, I was like, this is a winner for me. Inexpensive. You're not going to keep clothes forever for its entire lifespan, so might as well give back, get some money, get some more stuff. So, I don't know. Kind of just is what it is. It's kind of what I do. So anyways, comment below, what was your favorite outfit? Do you think that you would be able to do that? Shop secondhand? Do you already do that? If you do, what stores do you go to? Are they local stores? Do you know of any online stores that are secondhand? Let me know. ThredUp's really has a great reputation, well known. I feel really good about purchasing. I didn't feel like it was a scam or anything like that, and it's really professional. It honestly mimics a website from, or any online website for shopping, for clothing. So really, it's like I'm just online shopping at, like, I don't know, pick a store, Charlotte Russe, but a fraction of the cost. And same brand. Just saying. So anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this show. Let me know if you want to see more things like this. Yeah, I enjoy hearing from you guys. I pray that this video finds you well wherever you're at, and stay blessed. Bye.